Okay, welcome to Realtor Video Creators, the Red Rock real estate version of our KvCore team, and utilizing these pages for our videos and our YouTube channels. You could do quite a bit with these. So anyway, you want to start on your main Red Rock KvCore page. I think you come up to the dashboard where all your leads are, and you want to come down to this left side menu where it says lead engine. And today, just for today, I'm going to show you how to do a landing page. You want to select a domain. I've attached or linked my vanity name. I don't know what happens if you don't. And then you click start building, and it's going to take you to a build page to build your ad. It's going to go on all of your social media. So this is pretty generic, Red Rock Real Estate, because it's already added the logo, but these titles can be changed. All of this can be changed. We can determine what kind of lead generation, whether we want to capture lead generation, or if we want to do a video with a link to tie them in. Content hijack I haven't used, or text lead I haven't used any of these. I'm going to show you the main one I've used, and then you can kind of build and tweak and evolve off of that one. So we want to do video with a lead. And I have a property up in Santa Quinn that I wanted to showcase. So I click on this. I can change this. New listing in Santa Quinn. 6-bedroom, 3-bath home with over 3,000 square feet. Okay. I don't know about these subtitles and how they link up yet, and we can do that later, but just double click on them. We'll look at that later. So now I've got my listing title here, what it is, and I want to add a video right here. So we're all building our YouTube channels, or have our YouTube channels, right? Here's a little introductory flyover video. It's 59 seconds. I want to copy that link. So I click the share button, copy. That gives me that link. Go back to my build page and paste it here. This is something that took me a while to figure out, but it kept giving me this error message until I realized that / right there, just in front of it, delete all that. Now, there's my little intro. It's going to be there. Now, I can use this generic background if I want. I don't want. I want to use the picture of my house. So I'm going to copy the MLS number. Nope, that didn't take. Go back to my build page, hit background, primary MLS image, and then paste right there. Hit OK, and there's my home. So I got a picture of my home here. I got a little introductory video here. I also want to add so they can do a virtual walkthrough. So right here, this bar here says, what do you want, the URL after login. Well, I want it to go to my virtual walkthrough, and I've already pulled it up. And I'm going to just copy and paste. Now, I don't have a list here. It's a virtual walkthrough, and here's where you change the text to that button. Virtual walkthrough. And so what happens here is if they want to see the virtual walkthrough, they need to enter an email address, an optional phone number, and then they can click and see onto that. So now that I got all this information, you can add tags. Probably should get some more information from Joe about how to do tags. I'm not that familiar with it, so I'm going to leave that alone right now. So we want to do a save. And this window is just basically saying once you save it, you can't go back and edit it. I'm okay with that. And there's what it's going to look like when they open it up on Facebook. The only thing I don't know how to share with you is the sticky bar. My lender added that, and when they click this get approved, it takes them to his site also, which he shares with me, that they can start filling out an application and get pre-approved. So right now we got all this done. You want to copy this link and you want to save it or bookmark it or save it to a pad somewhere where you can access it again, because after you click off of here you can't go back to it. So now we're going to go to our web page. Let's get to my business page. And paste the link right there. And there's the image right there. So I'm going to say click here to see inside, just to see if I can entice them, and post. It'll take a minute for it to come up and download to my page. Okay, so here it is. This is what it'll look like when they click on it. Of course, this little intro video starts, and then I want to see inside, so I'm going to click on the virtual tour, and I'm inside. Okay, I want to show you one other version of what I do with my KvCore landing pages. We're going to do it a little bit different. So start again. What kind of lead type do I want? I want to get leads. I don't really have a video to do. So I'm going to say see homes for under 300K. And then newest listings in your area. Delete those again. Then I'm going to go to my MLS. I'm going to do a quick search just for sake of simplicity. Hurricane listing class single price $299. That's going to give me 12 homes. Click on that 12 homes, mark all of them, and then come back here to the share button. You want listings to share selected, and you want this permalink. Then copy, go back to your build page. After they open up the URL, paste. You want those to open up. And I want the background to be probably the nicest home on here, so I'm gonna copy and paste that link. Copy, primary image, paste, and there's that link. So I've got all of that. I'm ready to save it. There it is. Copy this link, go back to my Facebook, right click, latest homes for under 300K in Hurricane. Simple. Post. Here it is. Latest homes for under 300,000. You click on it. See the homes for under 300,000. Enter my address, my phone number. See the list now. And there they are. And like I said, if you have a huge inventory of listings, you can say just my listings, or homes by a golf course, homes with a swimming pool, You know, whatever you want to promote. And I think we'll just leave it at that and say goodnight.